Hello, I'm Sonic. We will learn about arithmetic operators in Microsoft Excel. In the last video, we have learned about the basics. It uses spreadsheet for calculations. We have 6 basic arithmetic operators: plus sign, minus sign, asterisk, slash, percent sign, and caret. First, with the use of plus sign, adds up the number. Let's make a new example. Type 5 in the cell A1 and type 4 in the cell B1. On making an output in the cell C1 using addition, that is A1 plus B1, or 5 plus 4 equals 9. Secondly, minus sign, used for subtraction, that is A1 minus B1, or 5 minus 4 equals 1. These two are the basics you knew how to add or subtract. Thirdly, the asterisk sign used for multiplication, that is A1 times B1, or 5 times 4 equals 20. Fourthly, the slash sign used for division, that is A1 divided by B1, or 5 divided by 4, equals 1.25, as the quotient comes. That will likely to come in decimals. Without the decimals, the numbers are divisible. Like 6 divided by 3 is 2. Fifth, using a percent sign, an operator lets you divide by 100. Back to these two values 5 and 4, 5% can be written as 0.05 for probability purpose. So we can write a 1% B1, or 5% of 4, is 0.2. And finally, the sixth one's using a caret sign, an exponent value which is said to multiply value many times. That is a 1 caret B1, or 5 to the exponent 4, which gives the value large. The answer is 625. In another way, caret sign can be used for squaring and cubing the values. With the use of addition in parentheses, say a 1 plus b1 in the entire squared, or 9 squared, equals 81. You can similarly try with the rest of the operators as said before. So, this video is about arithmetic operators in Microsoft Excel. Like, comment, and subscribe now.